Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia. And Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission released job calendar in initially, like I think in the month of May in 2026, and we were expecting that by 15th of August and by 15th of September, detailed notification will come, because it was mentioned that detailed notification is going to come on 15th of August. There are very good number of seats, good vacancies for engineering graduates like assistant engineer, like a factory inspector, inspectors of factories, industrial promotion officers, statistical officers, so motor vehicle, so there are so many opportunities, actually thousands of vacancies overall, and for engineers also almost 1000 vacancies for them also. But now there is a delay by 1 month. So what notification was to come on 15th of August, it is coming now 15th of September. And what notification was to come by 15th of September, it is going to come on 15th of October. Now there are some changes in the number of vacancies also, like industry promotion officer number of vacancies are now from 95 to 78, others are more or less same. So assistant environment engineer number of vacancies remained 40 only, factories of inspector remained same, Indian statistical officer jo opportunities hai, that also is same, planning director of planning, so something like that, planning department number of vacancies are same. Now there are very good opportunities for engineering graduates because you are eligible for many of these posts. And let me tell you friends, YourPedia was to complete this entire thing by 15th of August, but yes, there's a now when we realized that by 15th of September notification is going to come, we took little leeway also, and the mentors are going to complete couple of things in August and certainly before 15th of September. I'll tell you example of industry promotion officer, which many students are joining. That industry promotion officer entire syllabus will be completed in August itself. I think we have one more week also, and we are just summarizing it. Mentors are just summarizing the things. Assistant environment engineer technical part already book also has been released and sent to you. Non-technical part we are going to complete by 15th of September for sure, before the notification comes. Same is factory inspector and other things. So if 15th of September is the date schedule coming, YourPedia is going to complete your entire thing before that. Now this was the notification. Government of Andhra Pradesh gave the notification, and this is 22nd of August. Today is 23rd. I am making this video. It came yesterday. This notification came yesterday, and this is the order of government to the various departments to basically proceed forward with this entire job, this particular recruitment through job calendar 2026, which was finalized in discussion with the departments only. And then there are 10,000 direct recruitment vacancies in phase 1, phase 2. So entire thing is divided into phase 1 and phase 2 now. So phase 1 vacancies have already been notified, all the details have already been notified. So phase 1 is already done. So phase 1 is like 1523 vacancies already notified by Higher Education Department. Now we are largely here concentrating on phase 2 of the vacancies, because most of the vacancies for my viewers who are on YourPedia channel, they are basically in phase 2 and some vacancies in phase 3. So I'll be telling you, like phase 2, 15th of September is going to come, and I told you YourPedia has kept is a time limit, like 15th of September. When the notification come, we are going to complete entire syllabus for those in phase 2 by 15th of September. I'm going to discuss with you that. And 15th of October, some positions which are going to come, if we are going to launch domain for that, some particular this thing, then we are going to complete it by 15th of October. Now let's see, these are just some information for you. I'll take you now directly to phase 1. This see, phase 2 vacancies, phase 1 is already done. Phase 2 vacancies also, group 1 services, group 2 services, they are the senior positions of directors and all. But phase 2 may there are some opportunities which are middle management level, which most of you are targeting. This is phase 2, and this is other than basically group 1 services, not very senior position but entry level jobs. Now let me tell you what is the dates and for which YourPedia has launched the modules. Assistant environment engineer, these books have already been released to you by YourPedia mentors. Technical books are sent to you, non-technical is in publication, soon that will be sent to you. So application, this is Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board is conducting this. So This is also 15th of September. Detailed notification is going to come. Number of seats are now 40 only. Then we come to next is yeah, so this is all non-engineering jobs. Now coming to another good number of seats which we were targeting, Inspector of Factories, that is 12 number of vacancies. Earlier also it was 12 vacancies, 15th of September. Yes, Assistant Statistical Officer, 196 vacancies. That is what was the number we were targeting. And Director of Economics is conducting Assistant Statistical Officer vacancies. So YourPedia is going to provide you this also. And Planning Assistant Director Planning, that is also a very good job, and 17 number of vacancies are there. And then comes yes, YourPedia is going to provide you for this also. And Executive Officer, we are going to have a meeting today. So Executive Officer 104, that is also very good vacancies for all of you, in case, because this is in the revenue department, will be revenue department only. So 104 executive officer in the revenue department. Then comes this is for phase 2, and then comes phase 3. In phase 3, by 15th of October, the detail will come. These are also largely non-engineering jobs for you in the phase 3. And phase 3, the entire detail notification is going to come. That is by 15th of October. And in this, YourPedia is going to provide you like Deputy Mandal Parishad Development Officer, these kind of positions, because that will be related to your technical domain, generic domain, and related to journal awareness kind of thing. So that is what YourPedia is going to provide you. So this was the detailed thing for from Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, friends. And in case you are interested to prepare with YourPedia, you can obviously join YourPedia, and we are covering this entire Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission jobs for engineering graduates from the very beginning. And as I told you, like most of the domains which we started, environment engineer, inspector of factories, industrial promotion officer, that we have completed also, and certainly we are going to complete it before the schedule or notification comes. Thank you.